What does it take to bring an additive manufacturing facility from producing prototype parts to serial production, and even the making of high-value and critical components? Diligence in performing research and development, people trained for the job, and a process that ensures compliance to quality assurance requirements. This is where process qualification comes in. To certify a part for use in a known application, the material that forms the part must be certified first. And in order to certify the formed material, the process must be qualified. This forms a hierarchical relationship, where process qualification is the prerequisite for the certification of part and material. In additive manufacturing, the part manufacturer is also the material provider, so he or she need to satisfy both sets of requirements. Also, process qualification is specific to the facility, the equipment, the build parameters, the feedstock specification and the geometry covered during the qualification. Change to any of these requires a requalification. There are various documentations that are required for qualifying an additive manufacturing facility. At the facility level, it is covered by quality management system certifications such as the ISO 9001, AS 9100 and ISO 13485. Department procedures describe what the activities are, who performs the activities and when the activities are performed. Work instructions provides more detailed, step-by-step instructions about how the activities are performed. Lastly, records capture specific details when performing the activities in a work instruction. Want to know more about additive manufacturing certification? Talk to us today.